Carla is a waitress at Daybreak Diner, and she earns $5 for each hour she works. Last week, she earned $148 total, including $68 in tips. How many hours did Carla work last week? Well, our steps say find the number parts. So we know she was paid $5 per hour. Her total pay equaled $148. And in tips, she got $68. So we want to know the total hours she worked. So this is a two-part problem. So part one, let's do part one first. And we need to find the pay before tips, PBT, pay before tips. Now, the second step always says write the number parts in quantity of solution. But the number parts are already in dollars. And we can see that the largest number is total pay, $148. So if we write what the pay before tips is in terms of the largest number, we have a subtraction problem. $148 minus $68 equals $80. Now we're ready to do part two. And we know that that is the total hours worked. And we must write the number parts in hours. They're not already in hours. So let's write $148 converted to hours, and that will be 148 divided by $5 per hour. The dollars will cancel out, and we will only have the hours left, which will equal 29.6 hours. And in tips, if she was working per hour, she would have got $68 divided by $5 per hour, and that would have given us 13.6 hours. So the largest of these numbers is $29.6 hours. So the total hours that she worked will be the 29.6 hours minus the 13.6 hours that she would have gotten if she would have been working per hour per tips. And we see that will leave 16 hours that she actually worked without getting actually worked. And so we can see that that is also equal to the 80 that we got divided by $5 per hour. That will also give us 16 hours, confirming our answer. Now, I could have skipped from this part to this part, but converting these numbers into hours first, the other numbers, and continuing as a subtraction problem is a good exercise to help understand how the math actually works, and that this subtraction problem is equivalent to this division problem. And you should ask yourself, why is that true?